today we will learn how to set your Raspberry Pi in the easiest way possible. So first connect your SD card with your computer just like this using an adapter. Then set up Raspberry Pi Imager, download it from the official website for your operating system, and once it is set up, open it up, choose the device. Here we are using a Raspberry Pi 5, so we choose that. Choose an operating system. Next, we will install the full version 64-bit. So let's select that. Finally, choose the storage. So make sure you edit the settings, set your Raspberry Pi password and Wi-Fi configuration, and also enable SSH under Services tab. Click on Save and Yes. Again, it will erase everything on your SD card. Click Yes and put in your password to start writing. Just wait for a few minutes. This is speeded up, so it will not be this fast. So have some patience, but once this is verified, click on Continue and you can remove the SD card just like this. So your Raspberry Pi memory card is ready. Just connect it to your Raspberry Pi and power your Pi up. You can check the IP address from your router and connect it via SSH just like this. Put in your IP address instead of this one and type in yes. Because this is the first time you're connecting, type in the password. The default password is Raspberry if you haven't set any, and just like this you are connected to your Raspberry Pi. Enjoy and subscribe.